can you stay up talking? I've been lonely on my own. Feel the chill of early morning, frozen to the bone. Let me be a cold, let me be a stone. I'll keep you grounded, I'll keep you warm, I'll keep you safe from the cold. I'll find your way through the snow, through the storm. 'Cause all these long nights you've been keeping me alive. I was trying to keep you safe, you've been doing all the saving. Oh, my haven, How late have we stayed up talking? You seem tired to me. 9 a.m. you gotta lock in, so close your eyes and go to sleep. Let me be your pillow, let me be the place that you can hide away. I'll keep you safe, I'll keep you company, have it your way. I will guide all of the bad dreams away. 'Cause I don't wanna lie, all these long nights you've been keeping me alive. I was trying to keep you safe, you've been doing all the same.